Once upon a time, there was a young woman named Lily, who had always struggled with negative thoughts and a pessimistic attitude. Despite her many talents and achievements, she was constantly filled with self-doubt and fear of failure. One day, a friend introduced her to the idea of positive thinking and the transformative power it could have on her life. Lily was initially skeptical, but she decided to give it a try. She started by making a conscious effort to focus on positive thoughts and attitudes. Whenever she found herself slipping into negative thinking patterns, she would stop and replace those thoughts with positive ones. She also started a daily gratitude practice, where she would write down 3 things she was thankful for each day. At first, it was challenging for Lily to maintain this new mindset, but over time, it became easier. She found that she was more optimistic, more confident, and more willing to take risks. As a result, she started achieving things she never thought possible. She got a promotion at work, started dating someone she had previously been too afraid to approach, and even started pursuing a lifelong dream of writing a book. Of course, Lily's life wasn't perfect, and there were still times when negative thoughts crept in. But she had learned to recognize those thoughts and replace them with positive ones. She also found that when she focused on positive thoughts, positive things tended to happen in her life. Years later, when people asked Lily how she had achieved so much success and happiness in her life, she would always credit the transformative power of positive thinking. She knew that it wasn't an easy journey, but it was one that had been well worth it.